When it comes to decorating with Feng Shui, how do you decorate with fire? What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to Krystal TV. Today we are jumping into the second video in the Decorating with Feng Shui series, decorating with the fire element. So fire is one of the harder elements to decorate with, for obvious reasons. But also, you may not know this, but fire is the most yang of all the elements, which means a little goes a long way. Fire brings about very high energy levels, it fuels passions, and it fosters expressions of creativity. The decorating elements most associated with the element of fire are candles, angles like triangles and stars, and colors in reds, pinks, oranges, bold yellows, purples. And so how do we implement decorating with the fire element? Because a candle is only a fire element when it's lit. So if you want to use candles, that's a great option. But remember, your elements need to be active 24/7. And so like this candle might work because it's red, which is a fire color. But the truth is, if the fire is not lit on your candle, your fire element isn't active. So better options for decorating with fire are going to be colors through the spectrum of the reds, the oranges, the bold yellows, the purples, the pinks. Those are all fire colors. They are great to use in furniture pieces or soft goods, like this chair that I recently spec'd for a client's project. That is a fire element. Another thing to think about when it comes to the fire element is your electronics, like this laptop, or your television, or your stove. All of those electronics are all fire elements. And remember, I did say a little goes a long way. So if you've got a bunch of electronics in your space, maybe you have multiple computers, or you are set up for making videos like I am. So you've got lights, cameras, laptops, and all sorts of other electronic equipment. You want to keep that in mind because that is a whole lot of fire energy in a small space. And because it's so yang, it vibrates very high. A really great option when you need to use the fire element in decorating is to use it in your art. Both literally, like volcanoes or sunsets. Anything in the fire colors is going to be a great option for your art if you need a fire element in your space. Let me know in the comments below what questions you have about decorating with the fire element. And while you're down there, don't forget to get your subscribe on so you don't miss the next video in the series, Earth. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.